Well, welcome back to some more tiny mini Lego building. I guess not tiny, they're mini Legos. So, my wife and the church went to the zoo about a week ago. Yeah, about a week ago. And they had these. Some little bitty mini block animal series. It says collect all 24, but she got me 3. So, we're going to build them one by one. This one is a 68-piece Leopard with a reusable container that included to store your blocks. So this is a Leopard. Anyway, so I'm gonna get everything set up and then I'll be back. Alright, so just like I did before on the other little Titanic build, I got step 1, step 2, and step 3 pieces all set up there. Instructions, even the instructions are tiny. But I'm gonna set y'all up on time lapse and let y'all watch me put this together. So when I get done with these 3 steps, I'll be right back with you. Alright, well, that was half the steps. Literally, it's only 6 steps. That was 1 through 3. But right here, got my pieces laid out for 4, 5, and 6. And then all them pieces, what's wrong with my throat? All these pieces are leftover pieces, which seems like a lot for such a small project. But hey, I'll just build up a collection of extra tiny pieces because the Titanic one had about 40 extra pieces or 50 extra pieces. So, it is what it is. Anyway, I'm going to do the next section. I'll be back with you in a little bit. All right. Well, it didn't take long to do that. But here we have it. It's a little tiny Leopard. Hang on. Let me put it on a table right there. Ta-da! There he is in all his glory. He does got blue eyes though. It's kind of cool. Yeah. So, anyway, there'll be 2 more following this one. So, I hope y'all enjoy it because there's more coming. See y'all later.